Hey guys, Andrew asked me if I would do a review, and Charlie asked if I'd do a review, and I was going to do one anyways. I was on the fence about coming here. I've been in a really bad place for a long time, full of anger, more than I can explain to you. We've all had tough childhoods and things in our lives that create us and make us where we set up things to adapt and overcome in life. And sometimes that don't work, and after 44 years I'd reached my breaking point, ready for suicide, ready for something, just some kind of relief. Started trying to find God, go through the universe, everything, figure me out, what makes me tick. Searching around, I started hearing about vibrations, energies, your insides, not what everybody sees outside. In my digging, I found this Psilocybin retreat here with Charlie, and the more I looked into it and the more I listened to testimonies and people saying they felt like they let everything go and it's reborn again, and it was like they were speaking from my heart of what I needed. Anything from elderly people to people dying, it's the peace. And I've built a really nice business, and I've done really well for myself, but it's all been out of anger. I used anger to fuel me, and when it come time to enjoy my life, I couldn't, because I constructed everything on anger. And then you sit and wonder and worry, who's going to take it, who's going to try to get you next. We don't have time for that. So I got a hold of Charlie and Andrew. I come out here. First, he's really intense, super funny guy, but me being angry, and the world changed me to where you find somebody that's exciting, and he's so excited for you to understand the way he does and see the love in the world instead of all the anger, that I actually found it kind of off-putting, and we shouldn't. He's the lovingest person I've ever met. Treats me like I am family. I went through my ceremony. I fought with myself. I seen myself as a child. I fought with my Father God. I forgave my mother. I forgave everybody. I felt like I literally exploded inside of myself, and the relief and the feeling, the grounding of what's always here. It's all inside of you. Gives you the opportunity to see the deepest parts of your soul. No one else sees that but you. And what I found out is I may be rough and tough on the outside, but I am absolutely beautiful inside, and we all are. When you see the world through your own eyes and through your heart, the medicine makes you see your heart, makes you see your soul. You can fix it. This has given me the tools and a way to live my life and carry on like I never have before. When I exploded, I genuinely let go of all the anger, all the tension. Woke up at 4 in the morning after everything was wore off with the cheesiest grin. I had to get up and go look in the mirror to see if it was a dream, and I'm actually happy. I really let it go. And it's because of places like this. We all need this. We all need to know this. It's a one time for me, even if others take it. Guys, we can't see ourselves for the outside. This is the only way to get inside, and you'll figure it out. I hope you take this to heart, because I mean it more than anything in this world. It has changed my life forever. I'll come back and do another one in a year, another review, and tell you where I have built from here. I love you, Charlie. You've been super great. Your team, you guys are the sweetest, most amazing people I've ever met. It shows me there's good in the world. It doesn't matter if you're a stranger. They love you for you. He said I was beautiful before I'd done it. I just didn't realize it. Thank you for all you've done. And for those of you considering it, I highly suggest you talk to these people. They can change your life. God gave us the power. It's in us. I talk to him. I'm not crazy. He's inside every one of us. He's the little man that tells you yes or no, right from wrong. But you get to have a conversation. You get to argue. You get to figure you out. And I'll be eternally grateful for that. Good luck in all your journeys.